Watch, I just click skin, and the whole body is skinned right there. Body, clothes, and even the fingers. Since 1.2, you don't even need to attach your armature to the meshes yourself. Another new thing, if you enable this and click here, this is very practical if you want to understand how we refine your voxels, especially in tight zone, so you can increase the depth if you need it. Fingers have been improved again, so even if you have fingers that are very close to each other, you can skin them properly. Also, I improved the accuracy, so even if your character has hairs very close to its back, for example, it can still skin very nicely. There is a new parameter called smoothing. Try it, it can be very useful, and it runs directly on the voxels. At the same time, I improved the UI. I also did some optimizations and some API change, so you can connect it to your own workflow easier. Of course, it's a free update if you own adaptive auto-scaling, and if you are new, just check the links below.